how to change mockups after posting on store from Printful. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to change mockups after posting on store from Printful. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Printful, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Printful, it is a print-on-demand company that help brands scale their businesses by offering printing and fulfillment services without the need to manage inventory. And Printful fulfills the ships custom clothing, accessories, and home and living items directly to customers. And each item is made only when it's ordered and paid. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started button below here, and upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page where you can start signing in your account, such as your Google using your Apple ID and even your Facebook account in here or email address. After signing in, you'll be directed on this Printful overview or dashboard. Now to proceed, on the left side panel, just proceed by going to the store section in here, and it will show you some of the store that has been connected in your account on Printful. And as you can see, my only store in here is Shopify that has been connected. You can also navigate here to choose some other platform, and by clicking this View Store button, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you all of the product. And let's say I'm going to choose this one, or the product that has been listed or post on my Shopify store in here. So if we go visit in our Shopify and click the product section, it will show us in here this all over print men's rush card in here, in which by clicking on it, you'll be able to see here all of the details, including the title or the name of it, the description, and even the mockups photos in here. So this is basically what it looks like. And in order to change this photo, we can go back to this page and click this edit button to proceed in here. And by clicking this edit button, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, just simply click or proceed clicking this edit design button once again. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed in here. And it will show you that you can start redesigning or changing the design, but just click this proceed to mockups if you want to start changing the mockups of it. And in this pop-up window, it will show you, do you want to continue with empty placement? And I'm going to click yes, continue. And after that, from here, it will ask you the two options to choose basic mockups or custom mockups in here. And by choosing custom mockups, it will show you in here that you can start choosing different kind of background or settings of this kind of product in here. It will show us in here daily accessories, delicious looks, and many more. Or if you go back to this mockup image and choosing these basic mockups, it will show us in here that we can simply choose this kind of plain mockups once again in here. However, this is basically our current mockups at this point. So in order to start changing it, we're going to use the other options of changing a mockups, which is custom mockups. So all we need to do is simply go back to this page once again, then click this edit button. After that, from here, just click this edit design. And from here, once again, just click proceed to mockups button. And upon doing that, from here, just click this custom mockups or create your own. And after that, it will show you in here that it is currently being prepared. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And it will show us on the left side panel some of the options. We could also enter here or create a new scene if you want to. But at this point, I'm just going to choose this daily accessories and this background. Now after choosing it or clicking on it, it will show us in here what it looks like, with our current design on it, and also some of the accessories besides this kind of product that we are selling. But you could also choose another one if you want to, such as summer vibes and many more. While on the left side panel, you could also navigate to add scenes, different kind of props, uploads, text, clip art, and many more. But at this point, I'm just going to click the continue button to proceed. And after that, just click again the continue. Then you will be directed in here. And all you need to do is wait for it to be refreshed, in which it will automatically change our mockups. So let's go back to the Shopify store and just go to the product section. And gonna click once again this product in here. And upon clicking on it, it will show us the details in here. And it will show you under this media, the mockups has now been changed. So basically, using Printful's mockup generator is important for online businesses because it allows you to visualize your products, create professional marketing materials, and save money. And aside from that, you could also navigate some other store in here if you also want to customize or to change some of the mockups, such as on your Amazon, Walmart, Equid, Square Online, WooCommerce, Wix, and many more. And some of these stores need to have a manual process on how you can start changing the mockups image of their product. But overall, that is just basically how to change mockups after posting on store from Printful. Thank you.